Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick vehicle walk-around tour and show you this really nice 2023 Mercedes AMG SL43 Roadster. This comes in a really sharp red finish here. We've got a black leather interior and all kinds of AMG styling throughout, including the front badge here. Another AMG badge there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior here. I'm always a big fan of the retractable door handles. The key is inside the vehicle. If I had it in my pocket, those door handles would have actually opened as I approached the vehicle, which is kind of a fun feature. We do have heated and ventilated memory seats, both driver and passenger here. We've got the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package. More AMG styling. Got our driver's seat here. And our AMG steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage, 22 miles. It's barely had a test drive. We do have a push button ignition. And our AMG steering wheel here does have some additional controls. So you can adjust your suspension. You can also press and hold to raise and lower the spoiler. And you can easily switch between the different sport modes, whether it's individual, sport, sport plus, the default comfort setting, or even the slippery for the upcoming Minnesota winters here. Okay, so we've got our touchscreen display here. Default shows to the navigation there. You've got your radio here. You've got climate menus. You can also go to comfort. We do have massaging seats in this vehicle, both driver and passenger. You can also adjust the ambient lighting that you'll see throughout the vehicle as well. Currently showing this kind of a orangish red color here. Pretty easily switch to something a little different. There's also some different effects that you can do, such as the climate one. So if I was to increase the temperature, it'll actually flash red. If I was to decrease the temperature, it starts flashing blue. Kind of cool. We've also got our AMG menu here, which is, again, that's that dynamic select, which you can also access right there. But then you can also further customize if you'd like with some various features there. And vehicle settings here. And then to actually close or open the top, you just got this button right there to press, and then you'll press and hold, slide it over, and then it'll slowly put the top back up. Perfect. All right. So we do have rear seats here in the vehicle. Right there for you. And then coming around to the back, we've got our AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and SL43 badging. Just push the button underneath there and that'll pop open your trunk. You have your subwoofer back here as well. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes AMG SL43 Roadster. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.